Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to Health and Wellness 101, your go-to channel for all things health-related. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: seasonal allergies. Ugh, those sneezing fits and itchy eyes can really put a damper on our day, right? But fear not, because I've got some natural remedies and prevention techniques that will have you feeling like a breath of fresh air in no time. From local honey to nasal rinses, we're covering it all. So if you're tired of relying on over-the-counter meds, stick around and let's tackle those allergies together. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, my friends.